Picture your body as a smart device running on three master settings. Ayurveda calls them doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Your original mix, or prakriti, is set at birth, but daily habits, weather and stress keep nudging the sliders. Those nudges create vikriti, your current state. The goal is to spot a shift early and make a small counter-move before discomfort turns into illness. Start with Vata, the setting that powers movement. It drives breath, blood flow, joint motion, even the flicker of a thought. When Vata is steady, you feel flexible, alert, and regular in digestion. Too much shows up as dry skin, gas, restless sleep, or a jittery mind. The fix is warmth and rhythm. 3 cooked meals at set times, a daily oil massage, even 10 minutes will do, slow nasal breathing, and lights out before 10. Pitta controls metabolism. It governs digestion, body temperature, and sharp mental focus. Balanced Pitta feels like steady appetite, clear skin, and decisive work. Excess heat, though, sparks heartburn, skin redness, impatience, or simply feeling too hot. Dial it down by building meals around leafy greens, sweet fruit, and mild spices. Break work blocks with brief walks in the shade. Exercise in the cooler hours. And shut down screens by 10 at night. Kapha provides structure and lubrication, your body's built-in stabilizer. When balanced, Kapha gives stamina, steady weight, and calm mood. When it piles up, mornings drag, congestion lingers, weight creeps on, and change feels like a chore. Lighten the load with a smaller or skipped breakfast once in a while. Workouts vigorous enough to break a sweat, dry brushing before showering, and a weekly dose of something new, different route, fresh project, unfamiliar class. Each morning, ask yourself, do I feel dry, hot, or heavy? Label the strongest quality and reach for its opposite. Cold bothers Vata, so add heat. Heaviness flags Kapha, so move. Heat inflames Pitta, so cool down. Match tasks to natural rhythms as well. Physical chores in the Kapha-rich early morning. Analytical work during Pitta's midday peak. Creative thinking in the lighter late afternoon Vata window. Seasons matter too. Winter's dryness calls for oils and stews. Summer's heat asks for cooling foods and sunsets by the water. Spring's dampness benefits from extra spices and activity. Change one variable a week: an earlier dinner, a brisk walk, an extra glass of warm water. Then notice the effect. Patterns will appear quickly, and once they do, those 3 settings practically tune themselves.